Hey y'all, it is lunchtime and today we got Shake Shack and I got their double Carolina barbecue burger. Has fried green tomatoes on it. I think it's tomatoes, right? And I got cherry peppers put on top of it because I needed some heat. There's barbecue sauce on it. It's a double burger. Let's try this out. This is a hefty burger, I gotta say, but it tastes really, really good. It's hitting like you get the fried flavor, you get the burger flavor, a little bit of both going on in there. This is the first time I've had fried, maybe it's pickles on this? I don't even know. Or tomatoes. Let me see. Is this a pickle or that's a fried pickle? No. Yeah, it's a fried pickle. So, fried pickles. Tastes good. Carolina burger, double Carolina burger. Spicy peppers. Tastes good. Try it out, guys. From Shake Shack. Enjoy.